Hello, everyone, and welcome to 4J Media Live. Today, we're going to talk about how to get started with Google Sites. So let's check it out. So today, we're going to talk about how to get started with Google Sites. So I'm inside my Google Drive account, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go click on New, and we're going to click on More, and go to Google Sites. So this is just going to be an introduction to this. So you can see here from the beginning, it says your page title. So we'll call this 4J Media. Okay, and I'm going to click on it because it's just showing me that. You can change the image, large banner, cover. Um, let's do banner. There we go, banner. Whoops, banner. Okay, and then we'll change the image. It should give us a gallery. There we go. So let's just select this one. Okay. It's adjusting. There you go. And then here's the layout. So you can do a couple images. You can do 4 images. So let's click here. We can add content. So let's select an image. Let's do search by URL, your albums, Google Drive. Okay, let's do, just for this example, let's do Google Drive. I wonder if they'll let you upload files. I don't know why they don't let me do that. Okay, for right now, let's delete this. And let's delete this. Oh, there we go. I can upload a file. All right, so I'm going to do 4J Media. Same here. We're going to do the same one. Let's do this one. Like I said, this is just random stuff. Just filler. And then let's do... And we'll just grab this one. Okay, so there we got some filler. So we got the banner here, then we got that. Let me see if they will let me. Let's do pages, themes, insert. Let's add a page. So let's call this about. Okay, and then let's do courses, services. And now you can see that we have this here. So we can add a logo. So let's add a logo here. Let's upload. And we'll go back to here. I'm going to go to my actual files here and grab something nice so it looks nice. Let's grab my transparent logo right there. Okay. Let's do transparent. Okay. I don't know why it's so small, but I'm going to go with it for right now. Let's preview this and just see what it looks like. So you can see there's the logo right there. It's kind of hard to see. Go to Home, About, Courses, Services. And there you got everything right there. It's pretty quick to build a website here, but the problem is like I say, me personally as a web developer, I'm not crazy about this because it's very limited to what you can do. Not saying that it's not good. It's just unless you have a lot of good content. If you just have content, then this is a great way to go. But if you don't, then, for example, let's grab 4J Media. I'll grab this one, select it. And what's cool is you can kind of adjust, so I can make this a big video or a small one. That's kind of cool, and you see how they're using the grids. But the thing I don't like is the... Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's preview that, see how that looks. I like that. That is cool. Okay. So when I go home, you can add that. Now let me go back here real quick. Okay, there we go. You can add a button. Okay. You can change the color. Oh, that's good. And you can move it around. That's good too. I mean, it puts it on a grid, but I mean, that's good. You can add calendar, YouTube, divider, button, table of contents. You can embed code from a URL or code. Okay, you can grab stuff from images. Like I say, it's not a bad starter, but again, if you want to build something custom, this is not the way to go. If you're looking to build something quick, I'm all for it. I think it's a great tool, and it's a great learning tool if you're just learning and trying to figure stuff out. You can add slides, sheets, forms, charts, docs, map, calendar, YouTube, divider, button, and table of contents. So that's pretty darn good for that. I like that font. That's really cool. Very nice. And then you can do like this. So if you want to highlight, for example, for me, since I'm selling courses, if I wanted to highlight a course, we could go to text editors here and do that one. And then here I could go and grab the second day content that I did and do that one. And that actually looks cool, you know. Same here. I could put videos here. So you could do YouTube, and we could do 4J Media, 4J Media Live, and we could do my first episode. So that was about text editors. Select that. And then these could be other episodes that I did. Now, again, it doesn't show the whole thing because it's a video. So it's kind of skewed that way, but you get the idea. Like that looks good. And then you could do this. So like I said, there's pros and cons to this. Very cool. So that's one way to do it. And like I say, you can really customize this more. I kind of just threw things together here a little bit, but again, everything is saved right to the drive here. I'd like to edit the logo, and see they have an area where you can learn more about adding the logo, and then they'll probably give you the dimensions and that kind of thing, so that you have use an image at least 112 pixels tall. Publish, make sure you publish. I'm going to hit publish. We'll call this test. Test 2020, 2019. Okay, let's take a look and see how it looks. So we'll preview it. There's my little logo there. When I click on home, then it highlights home, about, courses, services. And so, like I say, this gives you what you need for a website. It builds basic structure for a website. So for that, I agree with it, and I think it's good. So thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.